Okay, welcome to this video, 10th of February 2026, Tuesday. I'm going to try and be quick with this one. It's relatively straightforward. I'll put it into replay mode now on the daily time frame. So just based off the previous 2 days, strong bullish green candles, I was expecting today to be bullish. I was just looking at the daily time frame, I was expecting at least yesterday's high to be taken, if not a further push up. So I'm not going to spend too much time on that, and we're in this kind of consolidation period, up down, so I'm fully expecting us just to go up again, if not down, and who knows how long that's going to happen for, until we kind of break out of this range. Jesus, they're terrible drawings. Until we break out of this range, that's kind of the mindset. So let's just get into the 4 hour very quickly. Turn off the... So 4 hour, the only thing I noted here was this swing high. Let's zoom in. The swing high here, and note that I'm not going to draw it, but this bullish imbalance, we're respecting it on the 4 hour. That's all I really need to take from that. Going forward to the 1 hour, I'm going to make sure we're not... I'll just go back here. This is kind of pre New York. That's the 1 p.m. GMT to 2 p.m. GMT candle, which is the same as the 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. New York candle. So I just note that we have this high from yesterday, which happened in New York. So that's just yesterday's high. Came up, price came very close to it in London, but didn't take it. So again, this is kind of relative equal highs, liquidity that can be ran through and taken. And that's it. And then on the 1 hour, I'm not going to draw it in again because it become clear in the 15. We had this bullish imbalance here, which we're respecting as well. And then I will say that we had this bearish 1 hour imbalance that I'll just put it on, that we're kind of respecting. So we're kind of consolidating between those two areas. But let's just get into the 15. Let's see if I can keep this below 5 minutes. It'd be lovely. Yeah, so again, bias was bullish. What do I expect to happen just based on this? Now let me bring price forward. It's 145. That's 2 to 215. And then that's... So this is just before New York open. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing this bearish imbalance being respected, but I'm not bearish because of that. I'm just seeing it respected. What I do notice from a liquidity standpoint is that we have this low here that didn't take this low. So again, relative equal lows. So while my bias is bullish, and we have relative equal highs up here, and we have yesterday's high to take, and then we have this high all the way over here. Let me just all the way over here to take. My idea coming into New York is that we would push lower to then push higher. So what I'll draw on here is this 15 minute that we've been respecting. It's kind of the lowest 15 minute imbalance that we've touched into. We've kind of mitigated most of it, and then we have this this low here from Asia. Now, if we come down here, what else can we tap into? See this? I had this drawn, and I just... Sometimes these little imbalances love to get tapped. Just noticed that. And I had it drawn on, and I said if we come down 15 minute green, if we come down this far, and especially below this, I think we're going to go and tap this and then hopefully turn. So this is what my thought process was, that we're going to respect this 15 minute bearish imbalance, come down, run through all these lows, this liquidity, run higher. So it's kind of like a sweep of all this liquidity essentially, and then a run higher. So let's just go down to the 1 minute. I'm at 4 minutes 39 seconds. Let's see if I can do this. Doubt it. Okay, so exactly as I thought. Could have shorted there. but I'm trying to stick to liquidity based trades. So here you see all the liquidity run, and we see this get tap into, gets respected. Now I'm looking for something really bullish, and that's it. We'd already inversed this bearish imbalance here, but this is a very strong push up, and we closed above this high here, which is kind of like a change in the state of the delivery or a break of structure. So I just went along there. I had a stop, something like that, and about a 1 to 2. And yeah, my stop was a bit tighter because I didn't need for it to hit yesterday's high. It was something like that. But if you look at price, what it actually did, it went up and took yesterday's high as we thought. So there you go. That's today. I took a screenshot in my Apex accounts, so another 2,000 on the day. So yeah, if I can keep doing this every day, I'll be very happy. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, questions, want to tell me, if you have any other market secrets to divulge, please feel free. Okay, take care.